Hi children, in today's class we are going to discuss about next chapter in our math syllabus, that is averages. So what do you mean by average? What do you mean by average? Average is the ratio between sum of experiments and number of experiments. So that is the technical definition. So in general, summarized definition is, okay, average means that if we have the group of numbers. For example, let's consider about a class result. So how many marks obtained by the each student? For example, if we have the collection of data, and which means that in a class there are 30 members are there. 30 members are there. For 30 members, they didn't get equal marks for each and every student. Okay, did not get equal marks. So each and every student get different marks, right? For example, out of 50 marks, some student will get 47 marks, and one student get 30 marks, and one student get 15 marks, like that. But when it comes to summarize, for the total class result will be summarized, that will be the average marks of that class. Okay, that is the average to maintain simple data. ఓకే, అంటే లార్జ్ డేటాని మెయింటైన్ చేయడానికంటే ఒక సింప్లిఫైడ్ వాల్యూని చెప్పడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ క్లియర్. ఓకే, ఆల్ ద పర్సన్స్, ఆల్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ నియర్ బై దట్ వాల్యూ. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద యావరేజ్ నాన్న. సో లెట్స్ go for the definition. What is the definition of average? It is the ratio. It is the ratio between sum of all experiments to okay, total number of experiments. Total number of experiments. This is the formula now. So what is the average formula? We have a formula of average. Average equals to, okay, sum of experiments by number of experiments. This is the formula of average, sum of experiments by number of experiments. Very important formula. No? We will use this formula for entire average chapter, and we have two more formulas, okay, regarding from this, okay, average formula. We have derived from this average formula only. So if I require the sum of experiments, so if I need the sum of experiments, means that number of experiments will be transferred there. So sum equals to, okay, sum of experiments equals to average into number of experiments. Very important, na? This is the one formula, and second formula is there for the number of experiments. This is the, okay, very important formulas. For the number of experiments equals to okay, sum of experiments by average. These are the very important formulas you have to learn. And we have the one more important points are there. Okay, average of first in natural numbers, average of first in whole numbers, average of first in even numbers, average of first in odd numbers. Let's see, sir, average of first in natural numbers. Okay, which is equals to, what is the formula of, will be n plus 1 by 2. That is the formula, n plus 1 by 2. okay, n plus 1 by 2. Average of average of first n whole numbers will be n minus 1 by 2, n minus 1 by 2. This is the formula of first n whole numbers, average of. Next, average of first n even numbers, average of first n even numbers will be, okay. Next one will be the average of first n odd numbers, okay. First n even numbers will be n plus 1, first n odd numbers will be n, only n, okay. These are the simple values only, okay, simple values. Let's go for that problems, simple problems. These are the simple formulas we need to learn, we must learn these formulas now, okay. Next, coming to the simple formulas related to averages. So averages, we have the more problems are there, but simple problems, these are the basic problems based on the average formula, okay. Let's go this formula. So find the average of first 6 multiples of 3. So first of all, we have to know about what are the first 6 multiples of 3. So what they have given, first 6 multiples of 3. What are the first 6 multiples of 3? 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 5, 3 into 6, up to 3 into 6 we need to consider, which means that 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. These are the first 6 multiples of 3. Okay. Then what we need to find? We need to find the average. So average find out cheyalana. So average equals to, what is the formula of average? Sum of experiments. What are the experiments here? Multiples of 3. So we have to replace these experiments with the multiples of 3. So sum of first 6 multiples of 3 by number of multiples. Number of experiments means that number of multiples of 3. Clear? So sum of first 6 multiples of 3. What will be the sum of first 6 multiples of 3? 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 by how many multiples? They are saying that 6 multiples. They have said that 6 multiples by 6. So sum average equals to if we add this, okay, 18, 30, 45, 45 plus 63 by 6. You can cancel with the 3. 3 2s are 3 1s are, okay. 21 by 2 which is equals to 10.5. That is the average of first 6 multiples of 3. Next, coming to the next question, Anna. Very simple question. What they have given? Average of first 10 even numbers. Okay. How many even numbers, Anna? First 10 even numbers. First 10 even numbers. So we can use the general method, first writing all the 10 even numbers and then finding average. It will take more time, Anna. But we have the average of first n even numbers are there or not? Average of first n even numbers enti? Average of first n even numbers equals to n plus 1 n. So similarly here they have mentioned that average of first 10 n, in the place of n we are getting 10 even numbers equals to, in the place of n we need to place the 10 plus 1 which is equals to 11, clear. Average of first 10 even numbers will be the 11, okay, clear now. Next one, simple formulas. Now we have to use the simple formulas, okay. Next, very important formula, very important problem. This is the problem asked in 2019 SAINIK school examination, okay. So please concentrate. Very simple question. First of all, read the question properly. Ages of three sisters. Ages of three sisters. Three sisters ages are given, 16 years, 20 years and 9 years. These are the ages of sisters. So we need to find the average age, okay, average age. So average age find out cheyali. So average age equals to, okay, what are the experiments here? Ages of sisters. So sum of ages of sisters by number of sisters. This is the formula. So what are the ages of sisters? 16 years plus 20 years plus 9 years by number of sisters are 3. 3 are the numbers. If we add the sum, 16 plus 20, 36, 36 plus 9, 45 by 3. So if we cancel that, 3 ones are 3 15s are. 3 ones are 3 15s are. So average age of sisters will be 15 years. Average age of sisters is 15 years. So this is the average. This is the average. So in this average we have to concentrate these formulas. So if we concentrate these formulas, we get the clear idea about the problems. Okay, don't worry about the problems. We will see that problems. What are the problems we have? Clear? So please go through these formulas very well. And we have some problems. Some small problems are there, and we will discuss some more important problems are there. So we will discuss those problems also in next class. Thank you guys. This is about brief introduction about averages. Thank you.